Okay, everyone, eyes on the board. Atong ansira na nga to, i-quiz. So we have here, English, dayon atong himong antonyms. So unsa man ang antonyms? Kasalungat or iyang kaatbang. So unsa may antonyms sa wrong?
Correct.
Correct. Sa use, unsa may antonym sa use? Kanang magamit, unsa may kaatbang niya? Ignore or neglect. Next, ang tell, unsa may antonym sa tell? Imo? Saman? Okay. Sa show, unsa may antonym sa show? Invisible or hide. Next, sa hungry. Okay. Ang hungry mauna ang gigutom. So, ang kaatbang niya is full. Next, ang noisy. Unsa may kaatbang sa noisy? Antonym sa noisy? Noisy. Quiet. Hilom. So, saba, hilom. Monay, antonyms. Next, sa friendly. Unsa may kaatbang? Unfriendly. Next, sa dark. Unsa may kaatbang sa dark?
Okay, so let's start sa atong fun activity about values message relay. So nag-write ko og mga sentences related sa good manners. So inyong i-relay sa inyong classmates or groupmates. Then muhatag sila og correct answer based sa ilang nadungog nga message gikan sa inyo. Okay? Then rotation until maka points mo. If correct ang inyong gihatag nga message based from the writings. Okay ra? Okay, so let's start.
Say sorry when you're wrong.
Okay, next. Sa to message, say sorry when you're wrong. Okay, mangayo pa sa ilo if nakasala. Okay, next. Okay, Joanna, next na Joanna, si Prince na dira. Okay. Number 3, sa number 3.
Respect your teacher and classmates.
Okay, respect your teachers and classmates. Next. Okay.
Help your friends when they sad. Help your friends when they're sad.
Okay, wrong. They're sad. Taro nga ang sentence. Help your friends when they're sad. Okay, kinsa pa. Next.
Balik ko kayo. Uy, ikaw. Ay, oh, digit. Ay, digit mo. Be honest and
Honest, silent H.
Be honest. Wait. Say. Be honest. Be honest. Be honest. Never alone. Never alone.
Anyong hasayo, Irene? Please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Ariel. I am 9 years old. Grade 4 elementary.
Okay, you're grade 4. So, Irene, tagaan ka na mo og 1 month as temporary students diri sa study room. So, ang temporary student, nagpasabot na siya nga within a 1 month mag-study kag multiplication table. Dayon, after ana, i-test ka na mo in random questions. If makapasar ka, mahimo na kang L1 students na mo pohon. If makapasar ka sa random questions. So, akong i-test ang imong reading skills.
In the community, a hungry cat went out to look for food. Her name was Minnie. She was walking under the heat of the sun when she saw a dog. The dog was in pain. It couldn't move one of its legs was badly hurt. It was trapped under
Trapped
under a fallen branch of a tree. Minnie was hungry. Cat hit me at the dog.
Stop. So, kamao na ka multiplication lang ga. Dili pa kayo si atong testingan ha. Relax lang. 5, 2. 9, 3. 6, 4. 8, 6. O sige, ilag kaguulang ka kanang tapam kay chance. So, pag-study sa multiplication table ha. Anyong hasayo, Brian?
Anyong hasayo.
Please introduce yourself.
Anyong hasayo. Chonon, Yulhan, Sal, Jodong Hakyo, Yok, Brian, Emida.
Yok Hangyon.
Yok Hangyon.
Okay. Anyong hasayo, Chonon, Yulhan Sal, Chodong Hakyo, Yok Hangyon, Brian Emnida. Mao na imong Korean nga kuan lang ga ha. Introduce. So Brian, you're given 1 month chance as a temporary student sa study room. So, unsa may buhaton nga as a temporary student sa study room? So, usa anak is mag-study og multiplication table. So, mao na kas multiplication table? Gamay. So, atong testingan ha. Relax lang. 8, 3.
24.
9, 7.
63.
6, 7.
42.
9, 6. 'Okay ra na lang ka. Ayaw ka kuan. So, karon atong i-test ang imong reading skills. Ay lag ka goal nga di pa kay kakakuha sa multiplication table ha. Sige, atong i-test imong reading skills.
preparing for the rainy
Days.
days
Next.
of a warm summer day. A grasshopper
Grasshopper.
was singing in the garden. It
Laugh.
laughed at the ant, which was busy gathering and storing food for the winter. The ant told the grasshopper the same, but it only laughed at the ant. Rainy days came, water
Covered.
covered everything.
Annyeonghaseyo, Rachel.
안녕하세요.
Please introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 11살 중등학교 6학년 레이첼입니다.
Okay. So, Rachel, you are given 1 month para magtuon sa multiplication table. Then, after ana, i-test ka na mo og random questions. So, within a 1 month, if ma-failed ka sa among gihatag nga chance diri sa study room, naa kay chance gihapon, you are given 1 month chance para maka-study diri sa study room. If after anang 1 month, dili ka makapasar sa among random questions, pwede gihapon ka magpa-retest balik if ready na ka. Ha? So, kamao ka sa multiplication day. Atong testingan ha. Ay, lagkakulba mo. Relax lang diya. Smile sa diya. 9, 5.
45,
6, 3.
24,
80 na siya. 9, 2.
18,
6, 5.
32,
6, 5 is 30. So, sige. Tapa makay chance, ana. Sige, pag-study lang. Keep on studying lang yun sa multiplication table. Dayon, i-test ka na ko imong reading skills.
let's be kind to animals. One day, two
Yang,
young boys came to play. They were jumping and laughing, but then they saw many frogs. They picked up some stones and
threw
threw them at the frogs. Thud, 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 when the big and small stones that hit of the frogs